look at you. Got that fancy camera. So look who we got back on the channel again. We got this guy, but this time we're doing something with his truck. I told you guys once before that, you know, he's a truck guy. He's doing truck stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. We've got a lot of fun stuff we're about to do to his truck. We've got some parts over here I'm about to show you guys, but take a look at it. This is gonna be the before, and then once we're done, you're not even gonna recognize. It's not even gonna look like the same truck. It's gonna be completely different. It's gonna be so different. Are you modeling for me? There you go, put the foot on the running board. Game over. There's only one issue with this truck, and that's that part right there. I'm just saying, but it'll look good when he's done. Yeah, can we do a truck emblem swap on this thing, Sean?
No.
It's so quiet.
Is
that's
it on?
Yeah, it's on. I mean, like, that's the quietest diesel I've ever heard.
Yeah. It's a flex fuel diesel.
Flex fuel diesel?
1,000 horsepower diesel.
Yeah.
Got the quad turbos.
You got to plug this thing in too?
Oh yeah. Got to charge her up. Make sure them spark plugs are ready.
Spark plugs on a diesel, those are probably like the hardest plugs to ever gap. If you guys have ever had to gap them, comment below. They're like a pain in the butt.
They're in that spot where you can't really see them. Like, so you got to just blindly change them.
Yeah. I don't know how long this is gonna take, Sean. You got a lot of stuff here. Look, this is all the stuff that he's got. He's got a, I believe this, what is this, 6-inch, 7-inch lift kit? 7-inch lift kit. And, dude, these wheels look so badass. And what size are these, 35s? Dang. Yeah, that's gonna look so good. I can't wait to see it when it's done. Especially after we do the emblem swap on there. We definitely got to get that swapped out. Oh, he's actually taking it up. Yeah, get it up a little bit and then we'll test it and see.
Yeah, just checking the points. If you need a boost, there you go.
There's the lift kit.
Get on in there.
Oh man, he forgot all of his stuff out. You can reach it all though, right?
Yeah.
Always get your stuff out before you start your job.
Pro tip.
Yep. Now we got to get a comparison. Those next to the new ones.
Yeah.
It's going to be quite a...
Tiny. Yeah, I'd say it's a little bigger.
Just a little bit, not much. No, it's going to be... It may not look as big. Wait till it's on the vehicle with the lift. Dude, it's going to look so good. I can't wait to see this thing when it's done. I know you're excited. This thing's going to look so good. Big old bolt right there. What's these failers doing over here? I got all this shit off now.
Sweet.
Walk over there, he's done, just eating a sandwich.
What are you guys doing over there?
Alright, so the suspension is completely out and apart. Damn, I did a good job.
Nah, I'll take help.
Had to take a bathroom break and I come back and these guys acted like they did something. Alright, so you got...
Can we zip tie it right there?
That's how you guys fix a dry shaft. You just zip tie it in.
The only thing is we're gonna have to cut right here, so this might be kind of in the way. Maybe over here.
So we already got pretty much the easy part done. This is gonna be the hard part. Taking out the diff.
No.
You said that's gonna be easy then?
Yeah.
Chop these up. Did the kit come with spacers?
Yep. We're actually probably gonna unplug these to move them out the way because they want you to drop this a little bit, the steering, but we're not doing all that mess. I saw a guy that once you unplug this and rotate it just a little bit, you're good.
Yeah, this looks like a lot of shit. I don't think I want to do this anymore. Sean, this looks like a spacer kit, not a lift kit.
Can you go up a hair?
Just... The rear is completed. That was simple.
I came prepared for this.
Yeah, we still got to finish the front. Hold on, what's going on here? You had to put spacers?
For the rear because the new knuckles on the front space it out 1.5 inches on each side. So the front track will be much wider than the rear if you don't do rear spacers.
Oh, I see.
Those are called stickers.
It's bad luck to take those stickers off,
No, it's
Sean.
not.
Yeah, yes, it is.
No.
Yeah, it is.
What?
You've never heard that?
No, I'm not.
He-
I always take them off.
All right.
You're actually supposed to take them off before you balance them.
It's not like it's a damn mattress. You don't have to take them off, you know?
I can't.
You're
stand-
supposed to burn them off.
I ain't doing that.
You guys, comment below. Let Sean know that you're not supposed to peel the stickers off.
Bad luck.
It's bad luck. Everybody knows it.
And it's not a mattress.
Look at that. Look, now you got sticky stuff.
No, now it looks like crap.
Now I have
Yeah.
traction.
Traction.
Sockets. Spin it towards
All
you.
right, so now he's putting the other back one on. But Sean, tell us how you really feel about the stickers.
I feel like leaving the stickers on is like leaving the sticker on your hat.
What's up, dog?
So now you cut that one. Now you got to cut this one off.
Get her done.
Let's get her done.
Yep, diff's going back in.
We had to pull this out, cut this little tab off right here, cut off a few tabs over here, and you've already got your brackets in. You're helping too, right, bud? We had to swap the old knuckles with the new ones, and we've already got them mounted. I'm just gonna say, I'm doing a very bad job at trying to vlog this whole process, but it is super cold out here. You know, the next thing we need for the garage is a friggin' heater. But we're almost done. We're getting everything wrapped together. There was a spacer we had to put in there too as well. It's dark, and we're gonna try to get this all finished up, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna send you guys off with the, I guess the shots of, you guys aren't gonna have to sit through this and watch us finish this. We're gonna get right to it. Truck's gonna already be done in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm driving Sean's Chevy truck so we can go get some roller shots. And I decided to call him because he's in my truck, and look what he has on his phone. Those are your Chevy guys for you.
How's it feel to drive a Chevy?
Oh boy, this didn't happen. We're back, second day, or no, this is not second day. I'm confusing you guys because 3-4 days? How long has it been done?
Since last Saturday.
Yeah, last Saturday.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing looks like a completely different truck. Obviously, you guys have already seen it. It's crazy. And what wheels and tires? Because those wheels and tires are probably the best looking wheels and tires you could have went with on that.
So the lift, we'll start with the lift. It's the Rough Country 7-inch knuckle kit. And the wheels are Hostile Sprockets, 20 by 10 with a -19 offset. The wheel, or the tires, are Nitto Ridge Grapplers and a 35 1250.
We will put all the specs down below because I know I hate when I watch videos and do research and I can't find specs or anything on stuff. But as far as the install goes, it wasn't too bad. There was a couple things that you had to cut, and
yeah, we had to cut the rear subframe pockets. They tell you to take out the steering rack and then take the diff out and then cut them, but that was, we didn't want to take out the steering rack, so we cut the pockets and then took out the diff, and it came right out. So that was much easier than taking out the steering rack and having to mark it and all that.
Then there was like some type of clamp on the brake line that they said to release with a flathead, and that was not going to happen.
Yeah, it was like wrapped all the way around the brake line, and
we just cut it.
Yeah, it was like probably 1/8 inch steel, and it wasn't bending, so we ended up just cutting it, smoothing out the edges, and it worked out better that way anyway. So
I had no clue what I was getting into when I was gonna help him do this, because I didn't do any research at all. And he told me, he warned me ahead of time, oh man, this is a big job. And I was like, oh, it's we're just doing suspension, springs. Yeah. Nope. And then I'm like, we're like pulling everything out of the bottom of this truck, and I was like, what the heck? I was like, you did not tell me.
Yeah,
it was that much. It was crazy.
Yeah, the rear luckily was like what, 30 minutes.
Yeah,
it took no time for the rear, but the front, just because everything has to come off, differential out, you know, it took a while.
We actually did the rear when we were waiting for my father-in-law to bring over his Sawzall. Yeah, you need a Sawzall for this too. And the Sawzall is just for fenders. No. And as far as cutting for rubbing issues, there's no rubbing issues.
Yeah. So we just ended up cutting we took off the lower part of the front valence and just cut this at like a 45 or whatever.
And you haven't had any issues with rubbing?
No, it rubs in reverse a little bit on the backside, but forward, you can turn full lock, no rubbing. It rubs right here a little bit at full lock.
It doesn't. You can't see anything.
Yeah, no, it's just a little scuffing, but nothing major.
Yeah, once you wear it on your tires, that'll be gone.
Yep. Yeah. So nothing really rubs on, you know, daily driving or
yeah. It looks all right for a Chevy.
Yeah.
No, dude, it does. This thing looks good. The color, the black, everything, and I just loved how it looks, dude. I think it's taller than mine.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we'll have to get a picture of them next to each other and post it on Instagram. Yeah. To see, but
and you guys can vote, see which one looks better.
Oh yeah, we should do that on Instagram. Yeah, we'll plug our Instagram in here, guys. And check him out. Give me a follow too, and then we'll plug it in there. Yeah.
Ford guys don't hate. I'm a Ford guy too. I've had, you know, multiple Mustangs.
Oh yeah.
So.
Have you had a Ford truck? A Ford Ranger?
No. Yeah, I had a Ford Ranger, and my dad's always been a Ford truck guy, so.
Yeah, and his dad approved of this too.
Yeah, he loves it.
Yeah, it's badass. I like it, man. Comment below, let us know what you think of Sean's truck. It's super cool. I love it. Even though you guys already know, I guess you can say I'm a Ford guy because I tend to, I guess, lean more towards the Ford side. But I think it's an awesome truck. It looks awesome. And the lift kit definitely improved the look of this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And definitely hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.